Here we divide 290 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 10 means 20. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we put down the number beside this 9. So now it became 19, and 2 times 9 means 18. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2, and there is no other number beside. So we put here decimal so that we take 0. So now it became 10, and 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 219 divided by 2 we get 109 decimal 5. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.